pumped for this upcoming hunt. It's a public land hunt that we pulled permits for. Actually, my daughter pulled a permit and I pulled a permit. So I'm headed right now to the local shooting range to make sure everything is in order on both mine and her rifles. Been scouting, been putting the time in, and now it's close. We got 2 days before the hunt starts. So final preparations are now. All right, we are dialed in. Last day of school before your hunt. Are you excited?
No. I'm actually not.
Okay, good, because Anthony really wants to go.
No. So, vlog, we're on the way to school. So my dad didn't have much luck this morning. So he had to come pick me up to show him how it's done. But first, we're eating McDonald's. Bring it out to you.
Okay, thank you. They must have recognized us and the wild game, because they said, go ahead and pull it up, we'll bring it straight out to you.
Yeah.
Special treatment.
$1 medium fries. Have a great day.
Thank you, and thank you for subscribing.
Okay, she's not subscribing.
And she said thank you. Cheers.
People like bring you.
There you go.
What am I supposed to do with
Walk over
this?
here and talk to this lady.
No, I have to?
Yeah, come on.
Actually, I'm scared. I don't like talking to people.
So game plan is, let's go all the way to the back to that spot that we talked about earlier, the secret cow spot. But on the way there, look, because if we see deer out in the field, we can put a stalk on them. In this management area, you can park anywhere. You have to have your orange vest on when you get out. You have to get off the road, but we could shoot a deer on the way out. And you have a doe tag. So if you see a buck or a doe, a legal buck or a doe, then you
What
can
does
shoot
the
it.
buck have to do?
So 4 points on one side. Like your classic standard buck, you know, he has 3 points and then the one brow tine, which is the one right above his eyes.
Does that one not count? As a
It
point?
counts,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, so it just has to have 4. Is that a legal buck?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yep.
There's a 2, 3. That's 3.
The tip of the main beam. So the beam counts.
That is
Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that little thing
Yeah,
counts?
the main beam
No, it does
counts.
not.
Yeah, that's a point. It's the biggest point. It's a big long point, and then there's other points coming off of it.
If I kill a buck tonight, am I going to come back and kill a doe tomorrow?
Sure, if you want.
It's
might
a lot
just-
of work.
Yeah, it is a lot of work.
You're doing really good.
We decided to walk instead of take the e-bike because we have so much stuff and we're not all going to fit with it. And we got a lot of stuff. 2 tree stands, 2 guns, 2 backpacks, 2 people. And we've made it that far from the truck so far.
It's been like 30 minutes.
All right, well, check in when we get up to the tree. Follow the little trail, see it?
The cow.
So Marina learned how to use a climbing tree stand today. We made it up. We have a really good view. And now we just need some deer.
Can I take my boots off?
Sure. Good morning. So last night we didn't see a single thing other than a raccoon that we thought was a monkey. And you might be laughing, but Florida has a small population of monkeys not far from where we're hunting.
Actually?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
So we're about to hit the old Cumberland Farms for some tree stand snacks and some drinks. And next time you see us, we're gonna be in the tree. What up, dogs? We're in the tree stand and the sun just came up. I got Marina right here. I got me. I got a trail camera right over there to that cut. And I'll show you guys what's on that camera. We're still on the hunt for a buck or a doe because Marina has a doe tag. Stay tuned. So we have seen a total of 4 does. None have come within range, but definitely more action than yesterday so far.
Yes, you're always just bringing me to the wrong places. I'm really here. You'll have to get
So
some.
if I was trying to get a doe, I would have shot one this morning.
They were like miles and miles away.
That's how far you're gonna have to shoot, bro.
Seriously?
Yeah,
Then I'm gonna miss it.
they're not.
Okay.
I mean, maybe not. They might walk right by, but
I thought it'd be like the
Grant?
good old days. It's not like Grant at all.
No, we're gun hunting. That's why we're looking over these big areas.
Yeah, I gun hunt in Grant that close.
I know, but that's you're gun hunting at my bow spot, bro.
I didn't say bro.
I did.
You did.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're gun hunting at my bow spot, bro. Yeah, you're gonna shoot 100 yards.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
No, you're gonna shoot it. I need a better gun then.
Okay, you can shoot mine.
Okay, I will.
Honestly, when I was shooting them, I think yours kicks harder than mine.
No.
When I was at the gun range, maybe because I shot yours 7 times and only shot mine once, or 3. I shot mine 3 times.
Does it feel like the same?
Yeah, or mine's better.
Yeah.
It's got more padding on the back.
What's your gun called?
Her name is Betsy.
Okay, no, it's not. What type of gun is it?
It's a Tika T3 chambered in...
Tika T?
It's a Tika T3 ultralight chambered in 270.
Mine's a 7mm 08.
Yep.
But I like the Tika 03 ultralight. Named Betsy.
Tika T3.
Anyway. Didn't get anything again.
But we're just getting warmed up. We went from seeing nothing to seeing 6 does. So tonight we should see...
We didn't see 6. We saw like 4.
4 does. So tonight we should see 6 does and 2 bucks.
And I'm gonna kill 6 does and 2 bucks.
No.
I'll kill 1 doe and 1 buck.
Yep.
This is my last night, so it's the only option.
So this morning we thought there was somebody hunting our spot. We pulled up, he told us we were just hunting and we almost left, and then I got to thinking about it, so I backed up, talked to him again. He was probably 500 or 600 yards from where we were hunting on the complete other side of the cypress head. His name was Kurt Peterson. So we hear a gunshot back there, and
That's a great name.
I said old Kurt got himself a deer. And then I got a Facebook request from Kurt Peterson, so I accepted it. And then I got a message from Kurt Peterson saying, do you have a game card I can borrow? So I told him go ahead and get it out of the back of the truck. So we ended our hunt, we climbed down, we went and met him out in the woods and walked him out with his buck. And he shot a nice little 9-point. Not really little, nice 9-point. And he gave us a little bit of inside info on where a hot doe might be.
Inside info?
Inside info. So it happens to be pretty close to a spot I already have, so that's where we're gonna sit tonight.
So shout out to you,
Kurt Peterson.
Kurt Peterson.
Thank you for the info, bro.
Bro.
Good morning.
No, not yet.
It all comes down to the wire for Marina. Today is the last morning of her hunt. And we left our stands very far out in the woods last night. But we decided to hunt the same area because we saw one buck that we couldn't get a good look at. And then we saw a younger deer. We grunted at him and he came right in. It was a little spike. Walked right in front of us. So we're gonna go give it a shot. We're hoping this is the weather that we've been waiting for. Temperature dropped about 15 or 20 degrees since yesterday. It's gonna be a nice morning, huh, Marina Gast? See you in the tree stand. Final day of Marina's hunt. Sun just came up. And we're optimistic. You gonna shoot a buck? Okay, we only have a couple hours left until Marina has to go get ready for cheer. We've made a decision to leave this spot. My buddy Brian just sent me a little pin to a secret spot where he has a stand where he said there might be a chance of at least seeing some does midday, so we're gonna head over there. Climbing down now, dog.
Alright, stop saying dog.
We're headed to another spot and Marina's pulling the cart.
I really enjoy being my own little 1980s kid. And then afternoons I get bored. Where's my going tonight, Dad? I go over to the tree stand on the property and kill a hog and drag it back home. So who I got, Papa?
How are you gonna drag it home?
5 years. It's not, that property's really not that big.
We got a little bit of a last minute scramble going on. I'm on my way to pick up Marina. I got her hunting clothes in the car. I went out there earlier and moved the tree stands to where we need to be tonight. And we are gonna try very hard to make this happen for her so she can get her first deer. That's your first surprise.
Thank you.
Are you ready to go hunting?
No.
Here, I got this for you to wear.
What's that?
All right, that's better. We're on our way out. We're only gonna have a couple hours till dark, but that's when the does come out, and we are 100% on doe patrol. Wish us luck. Just got up, it's windy, and we're optimistic that we'll see something out here on the field before dark. There's Marina girl over there. Marina. Marina, big buck coming in. I don't think he's legal. He's only got 3 on each side. What? Marina, there's a doe. What? Wait a second. All right, whenever you're ready. That's a good angle. Right in the shoulder. You missed. You missed. All right, whenever you're ready. That's a good angle. Right in the shoulder. You missed. You missed. I think you missed. Get a bullet out of the small pocket of your backpack and reload. Marina. Relax. Shoulder. Woo! Woo! You got it that time, dude. Marina, you did it.
I did it.
First. That's how it's supposed to happen right there.
Clean shot.
Yeah. She came back out and gave you another chance. How freaking awesome is that?
Close.
Much closer. That's still about 70 yards. You were freaking dialed in on that one.
Down in.
Dialed in. So proud of you.
Yeah, let's go get it.
Let's wait. See if another one comes. You got another tag. Are you happy about it? Ooh, someone else just got one. Well, I'm sure I'll figure this out, but we had a buck come in, a very nice buck, but he's not legal for this area, and a doe. And she took about a 120-yard shot at the doe, and she missed it. Well, patience pays off, because that doe just walked back out at about 70 yards, and she absolutely smoked it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Hard work pays off.
Where's that?
Burton. Where'd you go? A little more. I'll help you get her on the cart. Good, right there.
Did you crack your back?
Maybe.
Where's that hurt?
I'm not sure. Mine hurts. Somebody's back cracked. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
I'm not that tall.
1, 2, 3, do. 1, 2, 3, do.
Kurt Peterson,
Kurt Peterson could throw this down here by himself. Huh.
I was gonna say, look at this doggy. This is like
Cute, right?
Kurt Peterson was all like, bloody and dirty. And it takes a lot.
The,
My first
that's a very
deer-
pretty doe, very clean. That's right, dog.
Something like that?
Yep. Yeah, it ain't going there. So we made 2 trips back to the truck. We got the deer in the truck, checked out of the check station, and dropped off at the processor. And now we're home. So we're gonna wrap it up. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.
You know what? We're starting and ending with McDonald's.
Wow.